rapidly respond to customer requests, and empower customers with secured, self-service access to support case creation and status updates via the customer portal. With Acumatica, you can reduce response times, control support costs, and accurately bill service and support transactions related to contracts or service plans. Leverage automated workflows to route service requests to the proper department or individuals based on criteria such as severity, escalation paths, or priorities. Deliver stellar customer service with advanced case commitment tracking and a flexible case closure workflow. Monitor support activities and measure results with tailored dashboards, flexible generic inquiries, and real-time reports. Businesses benefit from Acumatica CRM case management by linking service and support cases to business activities. For example, create cases to manage activities such as external customer and internal customer support activities, such as scheduling employee training, supplies requisitions, equipment replacement, and licensing renewals with workflows, centralized communications, and document storage. I am a support technician at a company using Acumatica's General Business Edition. Here I can see one of my recently worked cases. I can drill into the case to see that Grace was looking for support for setting up her Acumatica mobile application. From here, I can view user-defined attributes that indicate which product she's using, which build she's on, whether this is a recurring bill, and the product purchase date. On the Activities tab, I can see that I reached out to Grace and requested that she upgrade the build on her iPhone. Now I can see that she was able to correct the issue. She then asks me to close the case. Another way in which businesses use Acumatica support cases is to help manage employee training. Here I can see that Max Baker requires forklift training. We've set up user-defined attributes to help track required training every 6 months. It's not needed for compliance, however, I can see that an external resource is required to provide the training. On the Activities tab, I can see that Max regularly completes the required training and has training scheduled for September and May. I'm going to schedule those training sessions with the external resource. With Acumatica Case Management, you have tools and information to manage many varied scenarios. These are just a few ways businesses use Acumatica CRM support cases to manage varied business scenarios.